Look, everyone's scared of AI taking their job right now. But what if I told you one role is absolutely thriving because of AI? AI product management is exploding right now. Since late 2023, PM job openings are up 53%. AI PMs are earning 35% more than traditional PMs. And 75% of companies say they can't find qualified talent. Here's the truth: AI PMs need vision, leadership, empathy, and a deep, deep understanding of AI's capabilities and limitations. And you can't automate that. This is what I call the complexity premium. Hey, I'm Will. I'm an AI product management career coach. I help product managers break into data and AI roles with clarity, confidence, and a proven system. Over the course of my career, I've driven $65 million in growth and savings for over 100 million users. I've launched multiple 0 to 1 products at startups and Fortune 500 companies alike, empowering teams of over 100 people. So whether you want to break into product or you're just looking to upskill with AI, the system that I teach is proven to help you level up at your current company or land an AI PM job at top tech companies. Want to future-proof your career? DM me AI PM coach and I'll show you how to win. Remember, AI is not killing your job. It's creating your biggest opportunity yet. Hope you're ready.